Hey everyone, I was gifted a faucet set to show you. It comes with an installation guide. It's very well packaged and here it is. So let's take it out of the box and take some close-up looks. This bathroom faucet set with trim kit is awesome. So this is a deck mount, widespread 4-hole brass tub filler. This is the brushed nickel version, and it has the hand-held shower. It has a brass main body and a 3/4 inch valve, so it's more durable than others. And the high arc gooseneck design has multiple layer finish, so it's going to last a very long time. This is a 1/2 inch water line on the deck mount faucet, and it comes with a very large flow hose, and you can customize this so you can check out the installation guide for directions. This is a super quick tub filler, and the sprayer, it can fill a 55-gallon tub in only 6 minutes with a high flow rate of 9.38 GPM at 60 PSI. The faucet itself is leak proof and it has this special buckle to prevent leaks from the main body and a 304 stainless steel hose to ensure high temperature durability. It is absolutely awesome. The easy installation is great and it comes with a warranty. So please check that out. You can buy this and install this with confidence. It is a winner. Definitely check it out.